You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Nobody asked for this. Nobody needed this.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Är det det?
Excuse me, what? This kitten is absolutely shredded.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
Did you catch that? Rewind it. That cat literally bit her.
Hi. Are we hungry?
Oh my god.
It's official.
Look at the face. He totally chose his new.
This.
Did you catch that? Rewind it. That. This is the most committed thing I have ever seen. Look at that intensity. He is literally hanging on for dear life. Absolute legend. Just keep going. The audacity. The absolute audacity. Honestly, same. I relate to this on a personal level. Absolute total.
No. You're evil. Evil. Oh!
told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
What are you doing?
That's right.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Whenever I'm cooking in the kitchen, I have a little stalker. Hi. Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
Nobody in this video had a plan. That is clear. What just happened?
It's okay. I know.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
Mama, come here.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home.
So here's what happened, and I need you to stay calm that cat.
And if I only could make a deal with my cat, and I get him to stop eating plastic.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Going to water?
Oh no, no, no.
Are you good? Oh my god, pumpkin!
Here's my strut, do. Strutting my way on over to you. You like my strut? I like yours too. Strutting my way on over to you. You like D-Day, they got nothing to do.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Cause the best thing about it is I'm coming back.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Put an ice cube on your cat and see what they do.
My feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
No way this actually happened, this cat broken.
I'm always feeling homesick. All I know is this is where my heart is. I've seen many places where the beauty never ends.
Okay.
My jaw literally hit the floor.
You bitch!
No, don't touch.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Chill. 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 Oh shit.